Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about the range method in Python. How to create the range of values by using range method. How we can use and what is the nature. What is the nature we can see. First of all, why we go for range method means using this range method, we can create the range of values. For example, I want to create 0 to 5 0 to 5 values in between range. Okay, the values I want to create, then how we can means we have the method called as a range method. By default, my range method starting value is like 1. Okay, so if you not specify only, if you put like only one argument, that one is treated like a lost argument. So if you write like this, it's going to create like the range of the values from where to where 1 to 5 is going to create. Now, if you want 15 to 20 in between, in that range only, if you want the numbers, you can give like the starting index is like 15 and ending is like 20. Like this, you can create. Now, I want to create a range, okay, in between, okay, 0 to 10, okay, 0 to 10, in between how many values are there, the range of values I want, which is step 2 is nothing but default step is like 1. One step is nothing but after 15, 16, 16, 17, 17 like this. There is only one number is going to, it's give like one number gap. Now, if you put like step 2, if you put like step 1, 15, 16, 17, 18, like this, it's going to be visible. Okay. The difference between one value to another value is like 1. Default step 1 step is like 1. If it is like 2, then the time the default step is like the default value is like 1. If you mention like 2, that difference between one value to another value is like 2. Like this, you can get it. Like the values, you can get it. So if you want to create a range of values, then you can go with the range method. Okay, how to retrieve these values from the range method, I will tell. First of all, create this range and how to use, we can see in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, first create the range first. Range.p. Now just write range of 5. Range of 5. It gives me what? The values, range of values. Can we print it? Is it really gives me the range of values or what? Now can we run it? Terminal. How we can run? By using py command. Okay, what is my file name? Range py. Okay, range py is my file. See this. Okay, just wait. Take some time. It gives me the range of values in between 0 to 5 or not. Okay, if you mention like the starting is like 5, ending is like 10. Okay, it gives like the range of values in between 5 to 10 or not. 5 to 10 or not. Okay, so you get the range of values. Now I want to retrieve it. I want to use that range of values. How we can use it means, one is like by using index we can use it. Another one is like by using a looping, okay, for loop or any other you can use it. So by using index, how we can use means the values is a range. The values is a range object of 0. If you put of 0, if I put, then that time the value is like 5 or not, the static value. If I put like 1, if I put like 1, the second value is like 6 or not. 5 is like 0th index value, 6 is like next index value or not. By indexing, you can get the values from the range. The next one, by using for also, just simply can write for the value in the values range. This is like a list of values. Okay, once you get each and every value, can we print that values, first value, second value, third value, like that. Now, if you see, you can get all the values or not, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, starting is like 5, the ending is like the difference. What is the difference between 5 and 10? 5. So that starting 5, there onwards 5 elements is going to return or not. This is the way we can retrieve the data from the range. We can retrieve the data from the range. And one more thing. Now here my range of 3, my range of 3. Okay, what is my answer? My range of 3 is like, my range of 3 is like, okay, must be recent call lost. Okay, not range, na? Values of 3. Sorry, values of 3. Now see this. Okay, in my 0th index, okay, 5. Okay, so that it is like for loop values. Okay, 0 is like 5, 1 6 2 7, 3 is like 8, so that the value of 3 is like 8 or not. If I'm changing, if I'm trying to change the values of 3 is like 18, instead of 8 I'm trying to change like 18. Then that time, if you see this, the range object does not support for item assignment. That means once my range object created, okay, that is not allowed to do the state changes or not allowed to do the changes or not. If any object is not allowed to do the changes, that nature we can say like what, immutable or not. So that immutable or not, so that my range is like which type of nature it has, it's like an immutable nature or not. This is the way my range is going to work. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.